What's going on, guys? Pete here. Today we're going to be talking about the Olsatools Gearless ratchet. Let's get into it. So this is my 1/4 inch gearless ratchet, and this is my 3/8 big boy gearless ratchet. There's a size comparison. All right, so we got part number 1380 for the 3/8 drive, and then we got 1381 for the 1/4 inch drive. And like I said in the beginning, these are gearless, so there is no back drag. So it's very efficient. You can get in a tight spot when you got a little bit of area and take a bolt out. And I'm about to show you. As you can see, I got this bolt taken out right here. And there is not a lot of room to get a wrench or even a socket and ratchet in here. There we go. As you can see, that's my thumb in comparison. And I don't know if you can tell from that angle, but it is spinning in with just that little bit of movement. Let me get a better angle. All right, so that should work. If you look at the anvil right here, you can see it is slowly turning. And in a tight situation, this is all you need. All right, guys, so in conclusion, will you use these ratchets every single day? Probably not. But when you got to get in a tight spot, and you ain't got a lot of room, pick you up a gearless ratchet from Olsatools. $23 for the 1/4 inch, $29 for the 3/8, or you can buy them both together for $49. You can't beat the price. Quality made stuff. See you on the next one. And yes, Olsatools also sells this tool grid, because I know everybody's going to ask about it.